the trees are more trees. So.
And then because of the setback, you still have that level of privacy where you don't really have to approach into somebody's yard.
It's really nice here. You feel the breeze?
Oh yeah. Great architecture.
Yeah.
The ground was great, so they capture the air. So the air flows right through the middle of the building all the way to the next side to the elevator.
And I like this.
You know, the homeowner, you probably can plan this out as much as you want.
Yeah.
I don't think they'll say no, you can't.
It's green space. Oh, hi!
Oh. How are you?
Hi, property viewers. Welcome to another property tour. Today we are with Miguel once again, and he will be telling us about this location today. Hi, Miguel.
Hi.
Thanks for coming back.
Always happy to be here. So we're on Paddington Terrace. We're at number 48 Paddington. We're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,400 square feet apartment today. We're asking $42 million. Not that bad. Yeah.
Tell us about some of the amenities here.
Well, I mean, we have the pool as usual. Elevators here. It's going to be 24-hour security, but it's not yet set in stone until the strata is formed and all of that. I mean, look at the wide hallways. You have double door entrance, so the security guard is one level of security. Then you come in, take the elevator, come up to the third floor, and then you have a second entrance to come in. So that second entrance now creates another level of security.
Wow.
Yeah, so a lot of complexes don't have it, but this developer really did.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Pay attention to security.
Very big on security.
All right, so we're going to take a look inside.
Great.
All right, so welcome property viewers to our 2-bedroom unit. It has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and upon entering, I want to take your attention to this space right here. This can be used as a storing area. We can just enclose it with some bifold doors, and we hide our cloaks or umbrellas, shoes, sandals right there, just off the front of the entry. And we are now in our living space, and I just want to take your attention to the floor. So here we have these tiles that give you the hardwood finish with this herringbone pattern. It's beautiful and continues throughout the entire unit. So let's look at the half bath that we have in our living area space. Right off our living area, we have our half bath. I love the dark finishes. It is fitted with a vanity and a toilet. And you can see that there is a feature wall behind that ties in nicely with the tiles on the floor. Now you'll see that the space is open, so this is an open concept floor plan. And right off the living, we have our kitchen that has countertops, upper and lower cabinets. And a double kitchen sink with a pull-out spring faucet. Here we have space for our stove. We have upper cabinets. And we also have the soft close drawers. And here we have a window that allows the natural air and some natural light to come into your kitchen. And this is space for your refrigerator. And I fit in here comfortably. Alright, so right off our kitchen we have our laundry area. It's a nice size laundry space. Again, this is a 1400 square feet unit, and with it comes this laundry space that can fit your washer and dryer. We can also put some cupboards inside here and have counter space for doing your laundry. Alright, so now let's take a look at the bedrooms. So let's take a look at bedroom number 1. And upon entering, we have the ensuite. So here we have our shower stall, and take a look at these green tiles. It's lovely. And the floor tiles continues throughout. We have this dark stained wood mirror that ties nicely with the cabinets for the bathroom. Here we have our toilet, and we have a window that allows good ventilation. Very good ventilation. So this is our suite for bedroom number 1. Here we have a closet for this bedroom. It is nicely fitted with custom built storage racks. So you know we can store some linens or clothes because we have the racks here. Let's utilize the space that is available inside. Now we have this very spacious bedroom, and it is fitted with pipings for your air conditioned unit. And both bedrooms come with a balcony. We have an exceptional view of the mountains. Now we're in the Kingston 6 area, which is an enviable community. And take a look at our neighbors. So the surrounding is peaceful, quiet, and very attractive. Alright, so now we're going to be looking at bedroom number 2. But before we go there, I want to bring your attention to the ceiling. We have a nice straight ceiling design that continues throughout the kitchen and the living area. Now we're in bedroom number 2, and this one I consider to be the primary bedroom. And here is a walk-in closet for this master or this primary bedroom. And once again, it is fitted with custom built shelving, and we have ample space to store clothing items, linens. We can even add some additional shelves inside here. It's a good size closet. Here is the ensuite. And it is fitted with a floating vanity and quartz countertops. It has this dark wood finish for the mirror that complements the dark wood for the shelf, for the storage below. And here we have this designated space for a water closet, and you can always enclose the area with a door if you wish. And here is the shower stall for this master ensuite. So now we're back in the master bedroom, and as you can see, it is a nice size bedroom. The tiles continues throughout, as we said earlier, and we also have the tray ceiling above us. Here we have piping for our AC unit, and we also have 2 windows to allow some natural light and air. Right off this bedroom is the balcony that gives you a nice view of the property and a lot of greenery that is ahead of us. We also have this lovely view of this neighboring complex, and if you take a look down below, you'll see the nice green space that comes with this complex.
Gym.
We have ample parking space.
Up here and
Yes, we have underground parking. So Miguel, this property is listed for 42 million Jamaican dollars. Nice price range. Awesome. It comes with pool. We are currently at the pool area, and as you can see, the entire common area is turf. Awesome.
low maintenance.
Low maintenance. We have 24-hour security. We have underground parking. And we also have entry-level parking. Thank you for watching, property viewers. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you seek additional information, it will be listed in the description box below. You may also contact Miguel. His contact details will be placed in the video and will also be placed in the description box. Thank you and bye. See you in the next property tour.